In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up signer attachments in DocuSign. We'll walk through the full process of adding an attachment field to a document so your signer can upload a file while completing the envelope. This is useful when you need supporting documents returned along with a signature. And the setup is very straightforward once you know where to click. To begin, log into DocuSign and click Start. This opens the menu where you can begin creating a new sending workflow. From there, choose Envelope. Then select Get Signatures to create a standard envelope for signing. Next, upload the document that you want the recipient to sign. Once your file is added, enter the recipient's name and email address. Make sure the details are correct, since this is the person who will receive the document and complete the attachment step. After that, click Next to move into the document preparation screen. This is where you place all the fields the signer will interact with, including signature fields, date fields, and, in this case, an attachment field. In the Fields panel, select Attachment. Then drag the attachment field onto the document in the location where you want the signer to upload their file. Try to place it near the section of the document where the requested file makes the most sense. That makes the experience clearer for the signer and helps reduce confusion during completion. Once the field is placed, make sure it's assigned to the correct signer. This is especially important if your envelope has more than one recipient. The attachment field needs to belong to the person who is expected to upload the file. Next, select the attachment field and turn on the required setting if the signer must provide a file before they can finish the document. This is a helpful option when the attachment is mandatory, because it ensures the envelope can't be completed without it. Before sending, review the attachment field carefully. Check that it's positioned correctly on the document and assigned to the intended signer. Taking a moment to review this setup can prevent mistakes and save time later. When everything looks good, click Send to send the envelope. The signer will then be able to upload their attachment while completing the document, along with any other required fields you included. That's all it takes to set up signer attachments in DocuSign. Once you've done it a few times, it becomes a quick and useful part of your document workflow. Thanks for watching.